Good morning, children. Today we will study about resonance, resonant vibration, demonstration of resonance or resonant vibration. This portion is very important. Question is usually asked in your board exam. Let us try to understand resonance. Resonance is a special case of forced vibration. Resonance is a special case of forced vibration. When the frequency of the externally applied periodic force on a body is equal to or is matched to the natural frequency of the vibrating body, the body start vibrating with large amplitude are called resonant vibration. So condition for resonance is frequency of externally periodic force. Frequency of externally periodic force applied on body is equal to natural frequency of the vibrating body. This means that frequency of externally applied periodic force and natural frequency of vibrating body must be equal. Then a state of resonance achieved. When resonance achieved, then body vibrates with large amplitude. Now, demonstration of resonance. Demonstration of resonance. First, demonstration of resonance with tuning fork. Demonstration of resonance with tuning fork. See in the figure. Take two identical tuning fork A and B. Mount them on two separate sound box. Open end of sound box facing to each other as shown in the figure. Once again, take two identical tuning fork A and B having the same frequency, mounted on two separate sound box, open end facing to each other as shown in the figure. When tuning fork A is struck on rubber pad and each put it on the sound box, we find that the other tuning fork B also start vibrating and a loud sound is heard. Reason is that tuning fork A produces force vibration in air column of its sound box. These vibrations are of large amplitude because of large surface area of air in the sound box. The vibrating air molecule communicate to other sound box and forces to vibrate tuning fork B. The air column of B start vibrating with frequency of tuning fork A, and this frequency is picked up by tuning fork B and start vibrating with large amplitude under the resonance and produces loud sound. Thus, two sound boxes help communicating help in communicating the vibration and in increasing amplitude of vibration. So it is clear. Next, demonstration of resonance with pendulum. These are four pendulums A, B, C and D. Pendulum A and B are identical, having the same having the same frequency. Pendulum C is shorter and pendulum D is longer. They are suspended through a rubber string. A, B, C and D are four pendulums are suspended through the same rubber string. When pendulum A is set to vibrate, it forces rubber string to vibrate. So rubber string vibrates with the frequency of pendulum A. After that, pendulum B, C and D starts vibrating. Pendulum B starts vibrating with large amplitude, while pendulum C and D vibrates with a small amplitude. Reason is that pendulum B picks the frequency of rubber string, which frequency is equal to frequency of vibrating pendulum A, and therefore pendulum B comes in the state of resonance and start vibrating with large amplitude. But pendulum B is smaller and pendulum D is longer, therefore they cannot come in the state of resonance. They vibrate with a small amplitude. They vibrate with a small amplitude because they cannot achieve resonance due to unequal wavelength, unequal frequency. So it is clear. Resonance in pendulum. Demonstration of resonance in air column. See in the figure. Arrangement is here. This is cylindrical tube A and this is cylindrical vessel B are connected with rubber tube. They are fixed with two separate stands. Cylindrical vessel B is fixed, while cylindrical tube A is movable. First of all, fill the cylindrical tube A with water up to the top. And bring a vibrating tuning fork just above the mouth of the tube. Now, reduce the water level gradually. Reduce the water level gradually by lowering the cylindrical tube. By lowering the cylindrical tube or adjusting the cylindrical tube. It is found that a loud sound is heard at a certain level of water. At a certain level of water, a loud sound is heard. On further lowering the level of water, in cylindrical tube A, the loud sound ceases. But when the length of air column in the tube becomes three times the previous one, loud sound is heard again. Loud sound is heard again. Reason is that while lowering the level of water in cylindrical tube A, the natural frequency of air column will be equal to frequency of tuning fork. Thus, resonance takes place and air molecules start vibrating with large amplitude and a loud sound is heard. So, it becomes or it achieves resonance. One of the questions on resonance is, the soldiers are asked to break their steps while crossing a suspension bridge. Give reason. When a troop crosses a suspension bridge, the soldiers are asked to break their steps. Reason is, when soldiers march in a step, each soldier exerts a periodic force in the same phase and forces the suspension bridge to vibrate. Suspension bridge start vibrating. If the frequency of vibration of marched soldiers' steps will become equal to natural frequency of bridge, then resonance takes place and suspension bridge start vibrating with large amplitude, due to which the suspension bridge may collapse. So, soldiers are asked to break their step while crossing the bridge.